inside the admin module and searching for a particular quote as the customer has given the go-ahead and we now want to convert it to a job. In the search for criteria box, I have selected quote. You also have the option of selecting by all job types, as you can see in the list. In this case, we'll just view the quotes. In the value box, we'll enter part of the customer's name and hit the enter key, or you can click on the find button. All quotes for this customer now display. You can call this list up at any time to see the quotes won or lost, as it's part of your customer history. Double click on the quote you're interested in and it opens to the customer details screen. Here you can check or modify any fields if required. Now click on the components screen button. In the lower matrix are the components previously entered and you can make any modifications necessary. In this case, I want to create separate jobs. To do this, I'll need to change the quote to a project. You'll notice that each component now has a tick box to the left of it. Tick the box to the left of each component that the customer has accepted and click on the Create Job button. A new job is created for each component ticked and a dialog box appears informing you how many jobs have been created. The new job numbers appear in the job number column on the far right here. You may have to scroll to see this column. Each of these jobs has an authorised date automatically entered to book it into the workshop. I'd like to say at this point it's not necessary to create a project for a quote containing a single component. Just change the status to job. Then click on the project button to add an authorised date. This books the job into the workshop management module for cost to be logged against it. It's also possible to change the status to job with a number of components or processes attached. These components would each constitute part of the main job and would print out a single job sheet in the workshop management module. This completes this video.